Hi, welcome to Papa's Workshop. We made it. Here we are on December 31st, 2020. 2020 is finally behind us. And I don't know about you, but I'm glad that it's gone. There has been so many challenges in our lives that have affected us in so many ways, and most of it's not been good. But one of the things that I have been able to see with these lockdowns that started in March is that people were looking for things to be able to keep themselves busy and to be able to experiment and try something new. And that's where the woodworking became something that was really important. Woodworking, in many cases, from what I have seen from you guys in the notes and the comments that you have said, was something brand new that you wanted to be able to experience and learn and be able to keep busy with your lives with all of the uncertainty that was going on around us. And it made me think about how I was presenting the projects on my channel. And I wanted to be able to have a variety of different types of projects, and I think I've been able to do that, whether it was making cabinets or doing the CNC types of projects. Everything was geared toward a lot of the questions and the comments that you guys had. And from that, I want to sincerely say thank you, because you guys made me a better woodworker also. And to be able to share the experiences that I have and help you guys along the way. I know that some of you had asked specific questions, and I actually did specific videos just for you to be able to help answer questions. And I'm sure I'll be doing that more in the future. But in many cases, the questions that you asked, I was able to do videos because I know that if you're asking those questions, there's going to be many, many more people out there wanting to ask the same question and didn't. So again, from that standpoint, I'm glad that you asked them, and I want to thank you because, again, it's helped this whole community. And over this past year, this community and the followers that you guys have shown me with this channel has been remarkable. And I think we've developed a really good community with the different types of communication and the projects that we've been able to share. And you guys have shared a lot of your knowledge that can be passed on to everyone that's in the community. And again, I thank you for that. Now, what's 2021 going to look like? Well, I think it's going to be a much brighter, better year. And as I look outside right now at the end of this year, it's pouring down rain. And I'm looking for the sunshine to come out tomorrow. Now, I don't think we're quite out of the woods yet. I do think we still have probably another couple of months before we start to really see things change. So with that thought in mind, we still got to be able to continue with the same types of mentality and the thought process that we have to be able to help everyone through this difficult time in our lives. So please, I would like to each one of you to reach out to me and suggest different types of projects that you would like to see in the coming year. I'd like to be able to put a list together of the different projects and be able to put them in a priority and be able to schedule out the different projects over at least the first part of the year. So this community can continue to grow and that we can all grow together in our woodworking experiences. Again, a lot of you are brand new, and I want to be able to help you guys grow and become better woodworkers and have a very satisfying and rewarding hobby. So again, thank you very much. I wish each and every one of you a very happy new year, and I look forward to 2021.